It was under my nose.
What?
It was under my nose all this time. I mean, hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna teach you and dear Tara how to sound like a native speaker and speak English fluently. So without further ado, let's go. You know, there are some moments in life that you have to just wear your heart on your sleeve.
What does it mean?
It means you have to show your emotions. You know, maybe sometime you like someone, you have a crush on someone, right? I mean, do you tell that person?
No.
So, yeah, but no, you have to wear your heart on your sleeve. You have to show your emotions.
No.
No, you don't like it? Yeah, right. Same. I do the same. I never do that. Actually, when I do have a crush on someone, I block that person. Yeah.
So I'm not like that, but
Yeah, I'm crazy. I
that
know.
crush just fades away.
Yeah, not crush. I don't do like crush things, but when I like someone and I know, yeah, that like thing is just like because of face. Yeah, I try to unfollow. If it's on Instagram, I try to unfollow that person or just like block that person because, I don't have time for, these kind of things. Is it your cell phone, right? Okay, it's okay. Yeah,
I'm sorry.
it's okay. Okay, so yeah, there is that. But no, if that person is like valuable, yeah, no, I'm gonna go for it. Yeah.
great.
So no, I'm not crazy.
No, you're not
Don't
crazy.
judge me.
I'm not a judger. Only God can judge.
Yeah, only dog can judge me.
Dog?
Like God, dog.
Only God can judge you, my son.
Yeah. Okay. Some moments you see some good opportunities and you think that, yeah, hey, I have to use this opportunity. But I mean, you have to, maybe you don't need to bite off more than you can chew, right?
What?
Bite off more than you can chew. It means to take on too much, right? So you don't have to take on you don't have to bite off more than you can chew. It means, yeah, you have to be you have to say, hey, that's enough. You have to be grateful and you have to say, hey, that's enough. So
It's like take so much things that I can just.
yes, for example, you have just one hand and obviously we've got two hands,
Yeah.
right? So, but we want to, carry
So
like
many things.
1,000 coconuts.
So it's not possible.
So you cannot just handle 1,000 coconuts.
Oh.
So you can handle like at 20 coconuts, right?
I get
So yeah, so you don't have to bite off more than you can chew. Yeah, you have to be grateful of what you have and what you will have. So be grateful.
Be grateful and bite off more than.
And don't
bite off more than you
can chew. Okay. Yes. Imagine this. One of your friends, she's furious. She's angry of her, for example, boyfriend, right? And in that case, you say, hey, your boyfriend is like this. It's like that. For example, you say like bad stuff about her boyfriend.
Oh.
This, in English, we say adding insult to injury.
Adding insult?
Yes, adding insult to injury. It means to make a bad situation worse.
Oh.
Or you can say rub salt to the wounds.
Rub
Salt, it's like salt.
to the wound.
To the wounds, yeah. For example, you have a scar, you have a wound, so someone adding and rubbing salt, it's worse, right?
yeah.
It's gonna hurt. So it's like say, so
Rubbing salt.
yes, rubbing salt to the wounds.
Rubbing salt to the wounds.
Yes, or you can say adding insult to injury.
Adding insult to injuries.
Yes, don't add insult to my injury, Mary.
Okay.
Don't add insult. Just don't, right?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, there is that. I mean, are you, those type of person who
I don't think
does this,
No.
like kind of things?
No, I don't think so.
But I am. No, I'm
It
not.
depends on situation,
Yeah,
maybe.
actually, yes.
And
it
the
depends.
person.
Yes, exactly. I wanted to say that. So, yes.
So,
Ho ho ho. No, we're not gonna add insult to anyone's injury.
Injury.
Yes.
don't
We're
add.
good people, right?
Yeah.
Noble ones.
Sometimes I just don't understand what other people say.
Yes.
What should I do?
Yes. So in this case, you have a listening problem, right?
Yeah.
So if you have a problem in listening, the best practice you can do is listening to podcasts and also listening to videocasts like this, like YouTube channels. You can listen and do literally nothing. So, and you can listen to different accents, with different accents. I mean, people with different accents on podcasts. Like some people, they have southern accent, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, or maybe we have some British accent that even British people, they don't understand. I mean, like we have like accent from people from Liverpool. I mean, it's so hard to understand, even for British people. So you have to just practicing your ear with it. I mean, you have to practice it, your ear with different accents.
Okay.
So you know when a word pronounced in different intonations, in different pace. You know, for example, some people, they talk fast.
Mm-hmm.
But some people, they speak very slowly. So you have to listen to speaking in, different pace. So you have to understand people. I mean, we have some great books for it, but I don't recommend books for specific, because each person, we have different learning methods and we have different learning personalities. I mean, I cannot say, it's not like a prescriptions, like, right? So I cannot say, hey, everyone can do this. No. We have different learning personalities.
Okay.
The thing that I just can say is exposing yourself. You can expose yourself through target audience. You can expose yourself through listening, through, like, if you want to, talk like a British person, girl, you can listen to podcasts like BBC 6 Minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, it's in British. Yeah, you
Great.
can write it down. But if you want to sound like a Native American speaker, you can just go to YouTube and watch other YouTube channels or you can just watch my YouTube channel. And yeah, there is that. And do nothing, literally do nothing. The process is forming inside your mind.
Good.
And you have to wait. You have to wait. You don't have to, rush things out. So you have to just wait and see where it goes.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome, anytime. I'm breaking the bank.
What?
I'm going broke. Yeah, it means I'm spending too much. Yeah. I'm breaking the bank.
Oh, you have no money.
I do have money, but I'm breaking the bank. It means I'm spending too much.
I'm breaking the bank.
Yeah, I'm break the bank. Yeah, I'm breaking the bank.
The bank.
I'm going broke.
You're going broke.
Yes, it
I'm
means
going broke.
I'm spending too much.
You're spending
So,
too much.
yeah, in American English, when you want to say you're spending too much, you can say, I'm breaking the bank.
I'm breaking the bank.
Yes. In American English, when you want to ask people what they're thinking, you can say, what's on your mind?
What's on your mind?
Or you can say, a penny for your thought.
A penny for your thought?
Yes, a penny, like a coin, like penny, for your thought. It means I'm giving you a penny to tell me what do you think.
It's good.
Yeah.
Penny for your thought?
Yeah, a penny for your thought. So, a penny for your thought.
And food. I'm thinking about food.
Same. So good. I'm hungry. You know what I want? I'm craving for lasagna. Craving for lasagna. It means I like to eat lasagna right now.
Me too, but not too much. I want...
Say, I'm craving for.
I'm craving for...
Sushi, maybe?
Sushi.
Right? Really?
Sushi is good.
What about noodles?
Noodles is good.
Like hot noodles?
No, hot noodles, no.
You said...
I don't like...
You said it. You just want me to hurt?
Yeah. I'm getting feed
She said
by
there is a
people getting
noodle,
hurt.
like Korean noodle, that you can buy and it's so hot and it's delicious. I order it and now she says, no, I'm not eating it.
No, I said for you.
You
I
have
can't.
to eat it.
No,
I mean,
it's just
it's
super
like
hot.
have to. Yes, it's super hot, so you have
The
to.
other colors were just less hot than this, but the red one is super hot.
So,
I want to
I'm
see that you
forcing
are
you.
getting,
Yeah,
you're in pain.
I'm
You're
gonna,
getting-
but I'm forcing you
No,
to eat it. Like, yeah, definitely. You're gonna.
I'm
you're
going to
gonna eat that.
die.
No, you're not gonna. You're gonna eat just like the less hot one.
They're just both hot.
Same?
Yeah.
No, they're not. Put all your eggs in one basket.
What does it mean?
It means to rely on only one thing.
Oh.
Yes.
Put all your eggs in one basket.
Yes, it means
To rely on only one
to
thing.
rely
To rely
on only one thing.
thing.
Bet it all.
Bet it all.
Yes, bet it all. You can say, I want to bet it all.
I want to bet it all.
Bet it all up.
Rely on one thing.
Yes. It's like I'm betting it all up.
He's betting it all off.
Yeah, I'm betting it all up. Yeah.
Good.
Are you a kind of person who does this?
It depends on situation.
Situation? What's the meaning of situation? It means situation?
Situation.
Yes, it means.
Situation.
Okay. So, are you a kind of person who does that?
What?
Are you a kind of person who does that? I mean, you're in a casino and you
No.
know you have good cards.
No. It depends on my mood too.
You're in a great mood and you have good cards and you have the money.
I never go into the casino.
You never.
No. I don't like to.
You're
go in-
playing with your friends
Okay.
and there is money
Okay.
stuff and you're gonna bet,
Okay.
right? Not the casino. You're betting with your friends and you have the money, by the way,
Okay.
and you're in a good mood
Okay.
and you have a great cards.
Yeah.
So, you bet?
No.
No. Why?
I'm
But you just said if I'm in a good mood, I do that.
maybe if
So-
I'm in a good mood, I'm going to just take my friends for dinner or lunch outside.
So
Not betting.
you're not risking.
No, I'm not going to just ruin my good mood.
Maybe you win. Maybe you just then you have more
The
money.
stress. It just don't worth it. Doesn't worth
So you don't like to risk.
No, not in money. And yeah.
What about in love?
No, not anymore. I'm
Not
too
money.
old for this shit.
You're not, come on.
Oh no, I don't want to. I'm just too tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe right now you're tired.
No.
You're hungry, tired.
No, after my 25th birthday, I just get tired. Yeah. I just want to sit down and watch what
Netflix.
happens. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, this is
Same.
my decision for
you see,
this is the-
but
my-
I say that the universe hit me with different people. Like, hey, what do you think of this?
Oh.
I'm like, no, universe, please don't. And he's like, the universe is like, no, she's different. And I'm like, is she? And he's like, yeah, definitely. And I'm like, okay. And I see,
Oh, I have a question. What
Yes.
does stubborns mean?
stubborn. It's like a guy or a girl who says, my word and my sentence is right. And whatever I says, there is that. You stubborn.
The universe knows that I'm stubborn, so the universe just shows these kind of options to me too. But I'm just like, you know me. No means no, like that.
Yeah.
They're just adding in my friend zone. Come here, sit here. It's better.
But you know what? Whenever I talk with my friends about the someone I want, like not mentally, physically. For example, I say, hey, like this kind of eyes, this kind of hair, and the universe is like, here you are, and exactly the same, but crazy as hell. Yeah.
No,
Beside that.
it's not for me because this
But
doesn't
no, I
work
had
for me like
great exes. No.
that. It's okay.
Yeah, let's not talk about it.
Yeah, let's just move on.
Yeah, let's just move on. It was under my nose.
What?
It was under my nose all this time. God.
What does it mean?
It was under my nose. It means it was so obvious, but
Oh.
I just didn't notice. Yeah.
You were like this.
Yeah. It's like blind.
And
Yeah.
your nose doesn't work so well, maybe.
In American English, when you want to say something was obvious, but you didn't notice.
It was under my nose.
Yeah, you can say it was under my nose. Yeah.
Sneeze.
You just love to sniff.
No, it's a
You
cute
would
word.
try
No, never.
that thing
No.
if you had money.
No.
I'm sure.
No, I just love the
You
word.
said it.
It's just, you can sniff the flowers.
Okay.
No, I just love the word.
Okay.
Just for real.
Let's say that's true.
It's true.
See, like a mafia when you say like mafia girl.
No.
That was all about today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to watch other videos as well because it's a free English class. Use it, like it, comment, and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.